Hi, this is Dave Patterson,
And Armando Fox.
and we're broadcasting from sunny Santa Cruz, California, from our research retreat. And
Yep, we're here for work.
yeah, that's right.
But in California, that could be fun.
Yeah, it's a pretty nice place, and it's summer, and behind us we're on a cliff overlooking the ocean, and there's rides and surfing and all kinds of fun stuff.
But that's not what we're here to talk about.
Okay.
This is testing week and TDD, and we wanted to bring to your attention a couple of interesting pieces on the web that are directly related to what's going on this week.
In particular, this link is to an interesting article that talks about a pyramid of testing to try and balance the BDD, or acceptance level testing, and the TDD, unit level testing, that's going on right now in the course.
So one of the things that we talk about in the book as well as in the lectures is that you shouldn't really overly obsess about one kind of testing or the other. You have to find the right balance between unit-level tests that look for corner cases, acceptance tests that make sure the customer is getting what they want, and system-level and integration kind of tests that exercise all the code. So this is a really nice article from Code Climate about how you might think about balancing those. And then the other thing we wanted to encourage you to take a look at is there was a sort of a debate that was webcast about a month ago or so. This was between I think two of the most interesting people in the Agile development community. One of them is Bob Martin, who is kind of Mr. Refactoring. He's the author of Clean Code, which is one of the books we really respect and recommend. And the other person is David Heinemeier Hansson. He's one of the original creators of Rails. And the discussion was, is TDD dead? So this idea that you should always write tests before you write your code. And it's a really interesting discussion between these two programmers about the relative pros and cons of that. But I think one thing that came out of the discussion that's really relevant for this course is both of them agree, and we're not going to give away who's on which side of the argument, that doing test-driven development really makes you think about how your code is going to be used by other code, and that gives you a level of testability and modularity that's really valuable in terms of long-term maintenance. So here's the link. Check out the webcast of the discussion. It was fascinating. I was able to attend it virtually live. And until then, we're going to go eat some cotton candy down on the pier.
All right. See you next week.
See you next week.